northeastern Hendricks County, Howard County, northwestern Madison County, northern Marion County, Tipton County, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles east of Lafayette to 9 miles northwest of Brownsburg, and moving east at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Frankfort, Kokomo, Zionsville, Carmel, Fishers, Noblesville, Tipton, Ulen, Flora, Whitestown, Kirkland, Burlington, Michigantown, Sheridan, Luciaville, Williams Creek, Kempton, Westfield, Morse Reservoir, and Indian Heights. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 124 and 158. This includes Interstate 69 between mile markers 202 and 213. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 56 and 65. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Carroll, Clinton,